What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Acura rebuild. And as you guys can see right here, I am installing, test fitting the core support and the fender before I weld it on because I don't want to have any fitment issues after. So that's what I'm doing right here. And right here what I did was I did same sealer on the hood, and then I'm edging. I am painting the inside of the new parts. That way I don't have to worry. Once I install them, once they're on, they're on. I don't have to be taking them off, putting them back on just so I could paint it. So that's what I'm doing right here. As you can see, I didn't put any primer or sealer or anything like that because it's gonna be barely visible, and this is a car to buy and sell, so I'm not really concerned about top quality. It will last a few years, but it is good enough to sell. And another thing to keep in mind, that the inside of your parts are not exposed to sunlight or the elements, so it'll last a good while. I did put some clear, really light coat. I just misted it on. And here on the outside, I did spray sealer, base, and clear, as you guys could see. And I didn't find my camera mount so you guys could be able to see what I'm doing. So I did the best what I could with what I had at the moment, but I got pretty good results. I am happy. So this is the new core installed. I made sure I reinforced it with these welds right here. They're not the best, but it is the Harbor Freight welder, which is okay. I wouldn't do any chassis or frame rails with it, but here it is. Here's the new radiator, the new condenser. I did find a used fan, which apparently it works, so we'll see what happens. And the battery tray, I just straightened it. It doesn't have to be perfect. And here's the other side. I made sure the core support was reinforced in there. So that's the progress, and I still need to buy the airbox. So here she is, freshly painted the next day. I did get a lot of orange peel, obviously because of the clear coat. It's not #1 brand, but I want you guys to see the results you could get. I did get some dust in the clear, and I want you guys to see it because obviously I don't have a spray booth. But for a DIY job, I don't think it is bad at all. This is the roof. You guys can see I did get a lot of dust on there, but I could sand it down and buff it out, and it should be good enough. So I want you guys to see my body lines. They're not 100%, and that is because it is like a Taiwanese Chinese hood. It is a cheap generic core support, and it is a generic fender. So I want you guys to understand that working at a body shop, even though we get aftermarket parts, they never fit 100% compared to the OEM. But for this project, I think it is good enough. My lines are good. I did 3 paint and I did 2 clear, and I blended the door, as you can see right here. I think the blend came out pretty good. You can't see it unless you pay really good attention. It's a nice pearl gray metallic paint. As you guys can see, it just was random dirt and lint that landed on it, which we could nib out and then buff out with the buffer, compound, and maybe some polish depending on how it comes out. It's brand new clear, so it should be able to withstand the cut and buff. I don't have any concerns about it. And here's the bumper. Still, I got a lot of texture, but it's okay. We could cut and buff, and you guys could still see some dirt on it, some dust that landed while painting, which I mean, it happens. So that is it for this video, guys. There's some more videos on the screen if you guys want to see other projects or other Copart projects. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys for the next video.